Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create YouTube titles using AI. So let's start the video. To create YouTube titles, I'm going to use vidIQ. Open your web browser and go to vidIQ website. Then sign into your account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or Google account. Now click New Chat from the left sidebar. Now here write a prompt about, you can write, for example, give me the best. Then click the send button. VidIQ will use AI to create video ideas and suggest a possible title based on your topic. After generating the titles, look at the suggested title. So this is post 89 and this is 86. This means these are the highest viral YouTube titles. Once you find the title you like, copy the title and then paste the title into your video details. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.